Our President, Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, is determined to ensure that we forge ahead with this reform agenda and has directed that significant resources be set aside to ensure that this reform package is implemented fully. This is obviously a very demanding undertaking, but as the saying goes, if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. It will be even more costly for us not to pursue these reforms. We have a noble obligation to ensure that our youthful population and the demographic trends are a blessing and not otherwise. Distinguished participants, we are grateful to our international partners who are joining hands with us in pursuit of education reforms. We are also eager to learn from other countries. And more importantly, we are ready to work together within the framework of the East African community to advance our goals in education. And there is no doubt that efforts that are currently being made by the East African member states to strengthen education systems and enhance coordination of efforts require adequate financial resources. In this regard, I welcome the new funding program by the EU, and I think it's called PIERS, which will support the coordination of our education systems as a region. I am also pleased to note the impressive representation of regional and international development partners in this conference. We acknowledge the role that our partners such as the EU, UNICEF, ADEA, GIZ, the Regional Education Learning Initiative, RELI partners, the African Curriculum Association, PAL Network, ALIVE, and others have played in supporting the development of education in our region, in addition to the support rendered in organizing this conference. Let this conference renew our commitment to working together in advancing education in our country and within our community. And rest assured that Tanzania remains committed to strengthening our community in all aspects and certainly in education. Distinguished participants, to conclude, I wish to thank you all for making time to participate in this important EAC Education Conference.